We connected our TC299 adapter via CAN in bench mode to our flex, and this flex now is trying to read the processor. This is how we set it up. No connections here. This is for TC299. Processor comes from a MD1 CS069 mounted on Iveco, and we try to connect now. So we go to Iveco CS069, connect. Here we keep an eye on our current. Should be 0.09, 0.10, 2 minutes fine. And it reached already 20%, which in flex means basically the ECU is connected well, but we don't know if it can be unlocked or not. And as you see, it says that the ECU has a new protection system. So this one is the protected type. Unfortunately, TC299, most of them are like that in this moment, but the adapter can be connected in bench mode, and as we see in the other video, in JTAG mode. Although this chip, since it's not new and it's protected, it will not be possible to connect in JTAG mode because we don't have a password, so it will give us fault in connection. So this processor for us, it's still locked out, but in future this adapter will be useful for use like the other ones, and also for developer it might be useful right now.